Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I am back today with another video on how to start a stationery business series, and today we're going to be talking about our sticker Mule keychains. They have arrived and I'm super excited to unbox and review them here on my channel for you guys. I keep forgetting to put the specs down of how long it took, but this took less than a week to arrive. You guys saw me go through the process of ordering these keychains, and I am going to get some Mod Podge to put on the back of them, but I'm going to put these up on my Etsy store so you guys can purchase. Again, like I said, when you order from Sticker Mule, you get the coaster and these extra stickers, but here is our package of keychains, and already they look amazing. So I'll take out like 2 of them. Wait, how did I get black and white? Wait, y'all, hold on. I got a few that are black and some that are, oh, I'm tripping. That's the back. All right, I'm gonna take out like 1, 2. There was an extra keychain in here. So I'm gonna take out 1 or 2 of the keychains and I'm gonna put the rest in the box. I did notice that there was like a additional, hold on. Did I order black or white? I think I ordered black. So I have the keychain here. I'm gonna try to get that closer for you guys so we could zoom in. So that is a small business keychain. And on the back of it, it's like white. It's almost like we get a 2-in-1. It just shows up better like that way on camera, but it's actually black. But it shows better with the white on camera, and that's the actual back side of the keychain. So it comes with these little clips here, and then they have the keychain part. I'm always in awe of how good the quality is from Sticker Mule. And they always come with this clear film on it. Let's count, because I believe this was 10 for $19 with the disc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got exactly 10. Unlike with the stickers, I was able to get more. But these are the keychains. They look really good. I'm gonna put a few on my hand and then again do a close-up on the camera so you guys can see the quality of these keychains. They look really good. If you guys want to get keychains for your business and you want to order from Sticker Mule, remember you can order these exact keychains from my business and my Etsy store, and you can use my Sticker Mule referral. I believe like you get a $10 credit, I get a $10 credit, we all win. If you guys want to order your own keychains, I am going to, on the white side, I'm going to do a thin layer of Mod Podge so it doesn't chip and last longer for my customers. Again, I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing of my Sticker Mule keychains. Sorry if it feels like I'm far away. I'm just really trying to find different locations in my house that I enjoy filming in. You guys might see me in different areas out throughout my house just to try to find the best spot that I enjoy recording that makes the video exciting for you. I do a lot in my office, sometimes in my room, but I just wanted to try it out in my living room with the natural light. Hope it's not a big glare. Hope it's not too plain for you guys. But until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.